Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. We are full speed into pumpkin and apple season. So I thought I'd pop on with a really quick recipe for one of my favorite Pop-Tarts. Now today I'm doing apples, of course, with a quick cameo appearance from some blueberry as well. So let's roll right into this by first making the super quick pastry dough. And I do like to use my food processor. It just makes fast, efficient work of cutting in that vegan butter by pulsing the chunks through the dry ingredients until it resembles fine meal. Kind of sort of clumps together slightly when you grab a handful of it. Now, sometimes I will use plant milk and sometimes I use water to bind it all together. Obviously, the milk gives it a nicer, more rich end result, but I just wanted you to know that you don't have to use that if you don't have it. Water works totally fine. You will have to chill this dough, though, for a couple hours, and in the meantime, we can prepare our fruit fillings. And you're going to make a base for the apples with some water, sugar, and cinnamon. And then a slurry of cornstarch is going to thicken the whole thing up. Now, of course, if you want to keep it really stupid simple, just grab a can of your favorite fruit pie filling and call it a day. But really quick, I just wanted you to see how easy it is to make your own pie fillings from whatever fruit that you like the best. Now this blueberry one, I kept it even more simple and just boiled them up with some sugar until it was thick and syrupy. Now blueberries do tend to have some really heavy natural pectins, so you don't really need the cornstarch for this one. This was also the same method that I used for my blueberry topping for my cheesecake recipe, as well as the mixed berry topping for my recent white chocolate berry cream pie. So you can see how versatile these fillings can get, and all the recipes, as always, are written in printable form at gretchensveganbakery.com along with this video tutorial. So you can find everything in one neat place. Okay, now that we have our fillings ready and that dough is chilled, you are going to have to rework the dough. It's going to seem crumbly and maybe like you did something wrong, but don't freak out. This is totally normal. You are going to have to break up that dough and re-knead it to a pliable consistency on a light floured surface. Believe me, it is going to come back together. I rolled the dough to about the size of a half a sheet pan, which is 12 inches by 18 inches, and the final thickness should really be about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch thick, no more than that, or else you're going to have these really thick pastries, and that's not going to be good. I then cut the rectangles, and those are about 4 inches by 4 3/4 of an inch, and definitely re-roll the excess dough. And this entire recipe is going to give you approximately 20 rectangles for a total of 10 finished Pop-Tarts. Fill them up with about 2 tablespoons each of the filling. Be careful not to overstuff, I always do, or else you're just going to have some explosive Pop-Tarts, believe me. The other dough sheet goes over the top, and then with a fork, crimp the edges to seal. Aquafaba works amazing for the sealing of those tarts and the wash as well. Into a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven they go for just like about 20 to 22 minutes, but we are not done yet. The signature sugar glaze of a Pop-Tart is in order, and that is very simply just a mixture of confectioner sugar and water or plant milk to a pourable consistency. And again, all the recipes are written for you on gretchensveganbakery.com, so be sure to head over there and grab everything. But before you go, I do just want to say thanks to everyone for liking and commenting and sharing my videos. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.